Hi there, my name is Ian Pace and welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be a continuation on the Triumph Vitesse model build that I'm doing. This one is going to be based on the bumpers. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, please hit that subscribe button and that like button, and please do free to comment. Thanks a lot. So I'm just going to start off by heating up these two pieces of metal to make the side bumpers, and I'm going to bend these over with a hammer. Then welding these to another piece of metal that I've already welded the two upright bits to, I can make the rest of the bumper. Now, after a lot of grinding and shaping, I can now mount this to the front of the Vitesse. So there we have the front bumper, which I'm quite happy with. Now onto the back bumper. Now I'm going to take one of these pieces of metal that I made the body of the butterfly out of, if you've watched my other videos, to make the upward parts of the rear bumper. And taking an old screwdriver, which was already gone a bit rusty, to make the main part of the bumper, and shape that with the grinder. Now I'm going to take another old screwdriver to make the sides of the bumper. Now, after welding all these together and a lot of shaping with the grinder, we now have a bumper to mount to the rear of the Vitesse. And there we have it, the rear bumper, which I'm reasonably happy with.